I'm Karim from Mack Civil. I'm the contracts manager and owner. We provide civil construction services to local councils all across New South Wales. So that includes streetscapes, curb and gutter works, concrete footpaths, all different types of concrete works, traffic facility upgrades. Currently we employ about 85 employees. We run anywhere from 8 to 12 projects daily, and there's anywhere from 60 or so men on the ground on any given day.
I'm Nora. I'm a site engineer at Mack Civil Engineering. I work across multiple projects, which does come with a lot of challenges.
We're spread out over such an area of New South Wales. It's really difficult for us to get information to our guys.
With such a high volume of jobs, it's very difficult for us to stay on top of our paperwork.
So traditionally, when we'd start a project, I'd get one of the junior engineers to prepare a folder. It's got plans, it's got site inductions, it's got swims, it's got site-specific hazard checklists, it's got environmental checklists. So now if one of the trucks leaves without the folder, the job can't get done. We were looking for something for a couple of years, maybe 2 to 3 years, to replace the paper system. I was referred to Dashpivot from one of my guys. I logged in, I made a free account, and I was like, wow, this is pretty good. Since we've moved to a paperless system, it's a lot easier for us to get our information to the guys. I was a bit worried about how the guys on site would feel using it, and it's been pretty well received from site guys, from team leaders to supervisors to project managers. Everyone finds it really easy to use. We've got about 10 crews, so we started with 1 and then eventually we rolled it out to all 10.
I honestly found it very easy to use, not time consuming at all. I no longer need to worry about whether the project managers or the team leaders have their documents, just because they do have it on their phones and it's easy for them to access.
No matter where any of the guys are, anyone can access anyone else's information.
So a great example of how Dashpivot has really helped us is our D-Lab reports. So instead of us filling out a physical sheet, we just take the photo, we upload it.
The good thing about Dashpivot is we can send, as soon as we do a site induction or a site introduction with our guys, we can forward that onto the client straight away. So they're getting everything real time. And I can log in right now and check if all my guys have inducted. The support that Dashpivot provides is a lot better than the other apps that I've tried before. The phone gets answered straight away and they've got the online chat box that pops up. And there's the videos online as well. The videos are very explanatory, and once you watch a couple of those, you can pretty much navigate yourself through the app very easily.
I recommend Dashpivot as it has really helped our company in terms of speed and us finishing our projects on time.
I would recommend Dashpivot to anyone that is looking for efficiency within their business. I'm obviously looking to save money wherever I can, so time is money, and Dashpivot definitely helps with that.